Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I've got another unboxing for June and it is Sephora and it's their beauty box. This is currently only available in the UK. You've got the option for a one-off box, which is what I do. I tend to dip in and out now and again. That costs £13.95 and that includes shipping. But if you want to have more of a regular thing going on, you can subscribe to the subscription, either a 3, 6 or 12-month subscription, and the cost gets reduced. So for instance, if you choose a 12-month subscription, it will cost you £11.95 a month and the first month is just £4.95. So yeah, I tend to dip in and out because not every month I want something. Now it comes in this little pouch. I'm sure the pouches are normally bigger, or is it because I've got a full-size product in there? I don't know. I'm sure they were bigger, but it doesn't matter. There's a tick box before you go to checkout to say whether you want the pouch or not. So particularly good if you do take out a subscription. You might not want to have it every single month, so you can tick it to say you don't want to. So you get to choose 5 products every month from a selection of beauty samples, deluxe sizes, travel minis, sometimes full sizes as well, which is really good. There used to be a lot more choice previously when it was Feel Unique, and when Sephora took over Feel Unique last year, there just seemed to be more products on offer. They do add newbies now and again, roughly once a month, maybe every other month. But if there's any good ones to be had, then I will shout about it everywhere on my Instagram, my Facebook page, on the community tab I got on here, on YouTube I got a daily deals post, so I'll pop it up there, and yeah, where else? Twitter, everywhere, because sometimes they do sell out really quickly. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, then please ask away. But yeah, let's get on to showing you what I chose, starting with the most expensive item, and this is a Deep Cocoon Shower Gel by Calma in Calm. And this retails at this size for £30. So way above the cost of what you're actually paying for the box. 200 mils here, and yeah, it says here, our Deep Cocoon Shower Gel, fragrant with powdery iris, herbal lavender and warm earthy amber, uses soothing passion flower, relaxing lime flower and nurturing gardenia stem cells to leave your senses tranquil and skin cleansed, fragrant and nourished. I have to sniff it. But be careful, I don't want it going up my nose. I was making my eyes water now because I'm puffing air. See the bubble? A bubble just went across the screen then. No, it's nice. It is nice. Let's try this way instead. Yeah, it does smell nice. I'm sure it'd be lovely. We go through shower gels like anything in this house, so I saw that and I thought, oh yeah, gorgeous. And the fact that it's full size and it's worth £30. So yeah, so thanks to one of my lovely followers who messaged me to let me know about this. So yeah. So that's the first item I chose. Then Aurelia London. This is a miracle cleanser with chamomile, eucalyptus, rosemary and bergamot, and there's 30 mils here. This is a really lovely cleanser. It feels amazing on my skin. I've tried it numerous times and I just thought it's a nice little size to take away with me if I'm going away for the night or a weekend or something. Yeah, to add to my collection. I did a video about a year and 2 years ago maybe, showing you a big box of all my travel stuff, beauty stuff. Whenever I go away or anyone in the family goes away, they have a look in this box and get like toothpastes, they get toothbrushes, shampoos, conditioners, things like that. They're all little minis, so I thought that would be a nice addition to my box. Next I've got something for my hair. This is by Vega More. I think this is quite a relatively new brand to Sephora, but it's quite pricey. It's very, very pricey, but it's supposed to be amazing. I haven't tried anything yet, so I saw this and I thought, right, okay, see what it's like. This is Grow, specifically for thinning fine hair, from the range that I've read about anyway on Sephora. This is a scalp detoxifying serum, and there's 15 mils there. Massage evenly onto dry or damp scalp, leave in for 3 to 5 minutes, rinse, and then follow with their conditioner and shampoo. For best results, use weekly. If you used it, I'd love to hear what your thoughts are. Next, something for my eyes. This is an under eye serum, super eye serum with retinol 8. This is by Verso. Woo! And there's 8 mils there. So always on a lookout for a nice eye serum. Well, that hydrates and helps with depuffing if possible, although I'm using a gua sha and I've got a rose quartz roller as well that I'm trying to use daily. The gua sha, I'm using that daily now. It's part of my routine. I apply serum and then I do the gua sha and then just like tap it all in. And the roller just when I remember. But I love the feeling of the roller. I just do it mainly into my eyes just to depuff it because I'm having trouble sleeping again. I don't know why. I go through phases of sleep issues. I'm sure my husband has swapped our pillows. I'm convinced. He says no, he hasn't, but I'm sure he has. Just doesn't feel the same. Anyway, this is Firming and Soothing Eye Serum with Retinol 8. Is that? And then lastly, I got a moisturizer that I've tried before and I really like. It's the Charlotte Tilbury. It's the Light Magic Cream. Ooh, can you see there? It's a light magic cream. And this is a little mini version, a little sample. And there's 5 mils in there. Again, enough for a good couple of days. So perfect to add to my little travel toiletries box again. I've tried it before, I know I like it, so that is why I got another one. I've got a shower gel, I've got a facial cleanser, I've got a scalp serum, I've got a moisturizer, and I've got an eye cream, all for £13.95. I think I've done really, really well. Really great size products. Can you imagine getting these in a Look Fantastic or a glossy box or something, which, you know, similar price point? Yeah, I'd be really, really chuffed. There's some really great brands here and the value is definitely way above the cost of the box. So no, I am really happy with these. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of the subscription? What do you think of my choices? Have you ordered some for yourself or are you watching this thinking, oh, shall I or shan't I? Please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.